Samsung just postponed the launch of the Samsung Galaxy Fold to review display issues. According to case makers, it looks like Apple will stick to the ugly design of last year's iPhones, and LG may be working on a phone with a total of 6 cameras. Yeah, I said 6. I'm Jaime Rivera, and today's a sad day, but it won't last for long, so stick to the final segment. This is Pocketnow Daily. The official news today are non-existent. There are no deals, or at least no deals that are worth covering. So why don't we talk about HTC 5G and Evan Blass? And before you ask me, why would these 3 things be combined? If you remember back in January, we covered that Evan had discovered a code name in a device with 5G from HTC. So for those of you wondering exactly what is going to be the future of this product, there is Bluetooth certification right now on Sprint for this HTC device. We don't have a code name, but apparently everything matches everything that Evan found, and therefore Sprint. Well, we'll see what is going to happen. Now let's talk about Lenovo and their Z6 Pro. If you've remembered, we've been covering rumors and a possible launch of this Lenovo device. Now we've got pretty much a teaser of the company showing off 4 cameras at the back, if I got that right, 1 camera at the front, and we're getting teased that one of these cameras is going to be of above 40 megapixels, and there is hyper video according to the ad that we saw. I've been going through Wikipedia over what hyper video is and what exactly is we're getting here. Qualcomm Snapdragon 855 in addition to great specs and apparently even 5G, so stay tuned for that. And speaking of multiple cameras, we've got some leaks from LG that the company is working on a new device with 6 cameras. We had 5 on the V40, we had 4 on the G8, but we already know what the V50 is going to look like because that's the 5G variant that already got announced at MWC. So we don't know exactly what device is still pending in the launch pipeline. But yeah, 6 cameras, 3 at the front. Most are wondering what that 3rd camera is going to do. Probably a Z camera, we'll see. Now let's talk about Apple and iPhones. For those of you that were expecting a better design for the next generation models, we've already got molds being leaked, which is what case makers use to make their cases. So after this, it's just going downhill, where we're getting the stove design for the camera hump. Apparently it's going to be horrible. More horrible than the protruding camera hump that we currently get that makes the phone wobble on the table. It seems that we're getting triple cameras on the Max and the regular, and then the R is going to get dual cameras. And I'm just, it's not the first time that we see leaks of iPhones. They look ugly, and then when we get the final product, it doesn't look that bad. This is not pointing in the right direction, or Apple is just doing something really smart about the leaks. And finally, the hottest news today have to do with the Samsung Galaxy Fold, as the company has decided to delay the launch. Pre-orders already happened. We already know that it's sold out, but for those of you that did, you're going to have to wait a little more. It seems that Samsung has discovered a couple of the reasons why the displays have been having issues, and therefore they're going to take a little more time to fix the problem before they get it out to consumers. Up to the point where we already got a call, we have to return this review unit tomorrow, and we're going to get another review unit later in order to be able to give you a final review with the product that consumers are going to be getting. So for those of you asking me in the future why we're not doing a review on this product, as some other publications already have, well, that's the reason why. Stay tuned. Whenever we get a final product, we will. But let us know in the comments down below. What do you think? Do you think that Samsung is doing the right thing or not and holding a little bit? In my case, I think that it's the right thing. I feel really sad to have to return this tomorrow because I haven't had any issues with mine, but obviously I'd rather get the final retail variant that you guys are going to get. So let us know in the comments down below what you think. Friends, again, if you want to get the news earlier, follow us on Pocketnow.com and subscribe to both our channels, English and Spanish, for more videos like this one. You can also follow me on Twitter, Jaime_Rivera, on Instagram at Jaime Rivera. Please give this video a thumbs up if you like what you saw. I'm Jaime Rivera. Thanks so much for watching. We'll see you tomorrow.